Welcome to LCC's Inclement Weather Safety Training. Inclement weather can occur on or around campus at any time. Your safety depends on the actions you take during bad weather. This safety training will cover several types of inclement weather, including tornadoes, lightning, floods, and heat. Weather conditions may vary considerably in the area surrounding LCC, so it's important to remember that campus procedures must be somewhat flexible, and expectations may be made under certain conditions. Keep in mind that LCC does not operate school buses, so the campus may be open when local schools have closed due to snow, icy roads, or other conditions. If the campus is open during inclement weather, personal safety and good judgment are the foremost considerations. Each student and employee is responsible for making the decision on whether to come to campus or stay home. If the campus is closed, no one but staff required to complete predetermined essential services should report for work or classes. Information and updates about campus closures will be shared via email and the LCC website, through local media, and on Facebook and Twitter. Closure information will also be available via the LCC message line at 360-442-2000. The e-learning office will also make information available via Canvas. Although tornadoes are rare in the state of Washington, they do occur. A tornado touched down in downtown Longview in 2015, causing damage to parks, vehicles, and local businesses. Please stay tuned to the following video outlining some tornado safety tips.
If your area is under a tornado warning, act now. You may only have a few minutes to get to safety. Seek shelter immediately. Go to a safe room, basement, storm cellar, or the lowest level in a sturdy building. If there is no basement, go to the center of the building and away from windows and doors. Put as many walls as possible between you and the outside. Get under a sturdy object like a table and cover yourself with pillows and blankets. Use your arms to protect your head and neck. A helmet can offer some protection too. If you are in a car, drive to a shelter immediately. If there isn't enough time and you are caught by extreme winds or flying debris, park the car as quickly and safely as possible, out of the traffic lanes. Stay in the car with the seatbelt on. Put your head down below the windows. Cover your head with your hands and a blanket, coat, or other cushion if possible. Do not park under an overpass or bridge, and never try to outrun a tornado in an urban or congested area. If you are outside, find the lowest point on the ground and lie face down. Use your arms to protect your head and neck. And most importantly, watch out for flying debris. It causes most fatalities and injuries. Safety is job number one. Get weather ready.